Good day, everybody. My name is Mani. I'm the founder of a new project, United by Life. Our aim is to grow vegetables, all fresh produce, to provide to orphanages, old age homes, and to people in need. For us to succeed, we need some volunteers to come and assist us in preparing the land, sowing the seeds, and also to harvest and to distribute the products. We have plus minus 15 years experience with volunteers. We've been doing tours, entertainment, shop trips. As this is a new project, we need any assistance we can get. Ways in assisting is by volunteering or donations, and all the contributions will go towards the project. We will keep you updated on the progress of the project, and I would like to wish you all a very blessed day.